turn up to this one. This is a Calmag water softener. What is unique about this water softener is that there is no need requirement for a salt usage. Water is absolutely drinkable from every outlet that is passing through this device. Task for me is to install this device for a dental surgery with a 20 water outlets. Installation will be based in the basement. As you can basically see, I will need definitely to sort out this pipework over here. It's quite messy. Everything is done with the speed fit push fits, despite that the water pressure is quite high and despite the water flow is about 22 liters per minute. So I will basically need to work it out to make it much neater and to install copper fittings wherever possible I can. I'm gonna go for installations, and here is the finished product. Everything is complete, everything is in the copper, isolation valves, bypass valves installed, mixture of the press fittings and ordinary fittings for soldering. Non-return valve is installed as well. Flexible hoses are connected to the copper. You can see how it's done, flow, and then things going into the flow back to the whole house. You can also see drainage valves for maintenance purposes, isolation valve, bypass valve. If anything goes wrong with the system, people can actually turn supply from a main directly to the premise, or they can isolate everything in order if they want to basically do any service and repair or replacements. This is the drainage and other drainage valve. Here you can see a shock arresters I deliberately fitted because the water pressure is extremely high, and shock arrestor is a good basically instrument to protect the fittings. As you can see, some fittings are made of brass, but some fittings are literally plastic, and that basically shock arrestor can absorb water pressure and preserve the fittings for better longevity. This is all. That's what it is. This is the water softener. The portable water is drinkable. I think it's a quite good deal for people who don't like to deal with the salts, for people who don't like to replace in it, and for the companies who maybe are looking for low maintenance costs for the future. This is my personally the first installation of such a product. Another improvised idea, it's a mounting bracket from expansion vessel. That's what I bought. It costs £4.50, and I installed it in order to secure this vessel to be literally stable on the wall, in order that nobody can kick in and move it and offset it from the floor and to cause possible damage and further leaking.